When I first bought this property 15 years ago, I wasn't looking for luxury. I wasn't chasing some grand estate or gated community dream. I just wanted peace, a small slice of land where I could build my garage, ride my bike, and live without anyone telling me what color my mailbox had to be. The land was perfect. 3 acres of open fields, a creek running down the middle, and on the far side, a spot where I built my pride and joy, a wooden bridge. It wasn't some fancy piece of engineering. I built it myself, board by board, using reclaimed timber and reinforced beams. That bridge connected me to everything: the road, the town, the world. It was more than just a structure. It was freedom. For years, it stood strong. It handled my pickup, my motorcycle, even the occasional friend's truck when we worked on weekend projects. It had personality. Every creak, every nail, every sound was mine. Then the piece cracked, just like the sound of that first heavy engine rolling over my boards. It started small. A few new houses were going up on the land across the creek, property that didn't belong to me. I didn't mind. People have to live somewhere. But before long, a local HOA formed, the kind of people who believe community means control. At first, they were friendly enough. Letters in the mail, invitations to meetings, promises that we are all neighbors now. But that friendliness didn't last. One morning, I woke up to a sound I'll never forget: the low, grinding roar of diesel engines. When I stepped outside, I saw it. A cement truck, easily 10 tons heavy, crawling across my wooden bridge like it owned the place. Behind it were 2 more. The boards moaned under the weight. Dust fell from the beams. My heart pounded as I ran toward them, waving my arms like a maniac. The drivers didn't even slow down. They crossed, one after another, leaving deep tire marks burned into my boards. I was furious. That bridge was private property. My land, my materials, my work. I stormed down to the HOA's construction site, where they were laying the foundation for some kind of community clubhouse. The foreman shrugged and said, "We've got permission. The HOA approved the route." I stared at him. "The HOA approved my bridge?" I asked, disbelief dripping from every word. He just nodded and went back to his clipboard. That's when I realized the problem. The HOA thought they owned me. They assumed that because my property was near theirs, they could use it however they pleased. They even sent me a letter later that week, claiming that the bridge provides essential access for community improvement projects, and that I was expected to cooperate for the greater good. Cooperate? They were tearing my bridge apart. Over the next few days, the trucks kept coming. Cement trucks, gravel trucks, flatbeds carrying pallets of materials. The sound of grinding engines became my alarm clock. Every crossing shook the bridge. Every vibration made me flinch. One evening, I walked down with a flashlight and inspected the beams. Cracks, hairline fractures where there had been none before. That bridge had carried my life for years. Now it was groaning under someone else's arrogance. I sent letters, emails, even called the HOA president directly. Her name was Janet Lawson. Her tone was syrupy sweet until I mentioned the word trespassing. Then her voice turned sharp, cold, professional. She said, "Mr. Walker, your property is considered part of the community's shared infrastructure. Please don't make this difficult." Shared infrastructure? I laughed bitterly. That bridge isn't shared, it's mine. She ended the call with 6 words that told me everything I needed to know. "We'll handle it through proper channels." That's HOA speak for lawyers. But I didn't need lawyers. I needed proof. That night I installed 2 motion-triggered cameras, one under the bridge, one at the entrance. I wanted faces, plates, timestamps, everything. And sure enough, the next morning, right at 8:07 a.m., the first cement truck rolled in again. My camera caught the company logo, the license plate, the driver's face, everything. For a week, I gathered footage. Every day, another few trucks, proof of them crossing private land without permission. Then came the straw that broke the bridge, literally. Saturday morning, the air was still, the creek shimmered like glass. I was sitting on my porch drinking coffee when the ground shook. It wasn't an earthquake, it was two trucks crossing at the same time. I dropped my mug and sprinted. By the time I reached the bridge, one of the main boards had splintered. The second truck had stalled halfway across, its tires spinning helplessly as the structure groaned beneath it. The driver jumped out, panicked, as the rear wheels sagged another inch. I waved him off the bridge and stood there in silence, staring at the cracks spreading like veins through the wood. Something inside me snapped that day. They'd taken my patience, my time, and now they were about to take the one thing I built with my bare hands. No, not anymore. I went back to the house, sat at my desk, and opened the folder labeled Deed 2009. The legal description was clear as day. The bridge, the creek, the access road, all within my boundaries. The HOA wanted to play games with property rights. Fine, I'd play. But I'd make sure they lost, spectacularly. That was the day I decided. If they loved crossing my bridge so much, I'd make sure it was a trip they'd never forget. I didn't act out of anger that day. I acted out of cold, hardest thing in life patient isn't calculation. losing control. The bridge It's was pretending more you than don't have nails. control. It was when you leverage. Actually do. And leverage is For only months, useful I watched if you them know build, how to use sell, it. and celebrate. First rule: don't Each let them new know family you're away. that moved in I told brought myself another that 100 truck, times. Another so I kept my mouth shut.
banner.
I didn't Another pull the layer sheriff. of arrogance.
I didn't
post on Facebook.
But what they didn't
I didn't
know
march
was
over to
that
their
every
construction
single
site
nail,
waving my deed
every
like
fence
a flag.
post,
Lydia,
every
my
closing
lawyer,
contract
had told me the
was
same
digging
thing
them
in
deeper
simpler words.
into a legal
You don't
grave.
create evidence by
I
screaming.
became a shadow
You
in
create
my own
evidence
story,
by watching.
invisible,
So I watched.
quiet, but watching
Step
everything.
one was documentation.
Every week,
I bought
I
two
drove
weatherproof
past
motion
Pine Ridge
cameras
HOA
and a dash
camera in
night
hand.
vision. Not
One
just for
camera
proof
went
of
under the bridge
construction,
aimed at the
but
center
timestamps.
stamps.
The other
Dates,
faced the approach road,
license
so I'd
plates
catch
of
the
the
builders'
builders.
plates.
Even
The
photos
dashcam
of the
I left on the hood
HOA
of my truck,
president posing
set
in
to
front
record
of her
anything
new
that
community
passed by
for
the
local
entrance.
press.
I ran them for days.
When you're dealing
learning
with people
patterns,
who abuse
which truck
power,
companies came
patience
first,
isn't
the
weakness,
times they ran,
it's
how the
strategy.
drivers behaved when
I
they
spent
crossed.
nights poring
the trucks
over
weren't
records
random. From the county
They were
clerk's
scheduled,
office,
and what I found made
that
my
rotated
lawyer's
through the
jaw drop.
same drivers and plates.
The developer,
patterns
Camera
are a
and
kind
Realty
of
Group,
truth.
had filed
Next,
altered
I
land
rebuilt my
survey
bridge,
maps, but not in the way
They'd
they
taken
would
my
expect.
parcel
I could have called a
47B
contractor
and merged
and
it
had
with
it
adjacent
reinforced
plots.
with steel
Then,
overnight,
using
but that would
falsified
have
approval
signaled
signatures
and
they
panic
sold
signals
development
weakness.
rights.
I
to
needed
the
the bridge
HOA
to look
board.
the same. It was all
Sound
a
the
paper
same,
illusion,
feel the
smoke,
same,
and
at
signatures
least
until the moment
the
it had to
HOA
speak for me.
president, Linda.
Yes,
So I worked
I
nights.
eventually learned
I
her
cut
name
and fitted
wasn't
new
just a
support beams
loudmouth.
under the existing
She was
ones,
part of the
slipping
scheme.
modern pressure
Emails
sensors
revealed
between
she
the joists
received
where they wouldn't be
community
seen.
partnership
The
payments
sensors
from
were
the developer.
destructive.
They were
Bribes,
precise,
dressed
they
up as
logged
consultation
weight, timestamp,
fees.
and vibration.
I remember
Under the right
sitting
load,
there,
they would
staring
register
at those
cumulative
emails,
stress
whispering
value
to myself,
in plain words.
gotcha.
When 10 tons
But I
crossed
wasn't
3
ready
times,
to go public.
it would record
Not
the
yet.
structural abuse in
Because
numbers
the moment
I
I
could prove
did,
in court.
the HOA would spin
I also
the story.
replaced a few outer
They'd
planks
play the
with
victim,
splinters of
the
specially
families
treated
living
wood.
there,
They
innocent
held,
buyers,
but when
would
flexed
rally
repeatedly
behind them.
by heavy
The
loads,
headlines
the
would
grain
twist
would
the
show
truth.
stress in a way you
No,
couldn't
I
fake
needed
later.
the HOA to
I stained
own
every
mistake
mistake
before
before
I struck.
boards. To anyone
So I
looking,
kept letting them
it was
build.
still the same
Let
bridge
them hold
Dakota had
barbecues
used
for a decade.
open houses.
To me,
even a
it was
4th
now a
of July
sensor-laced
event with
witness.
fireworks all on
While
my
the bridge
land.
was being retrofitted in
I'd
the
drive
dark,
by,
I worked
smile
the other
politely,
angle, the human one,
and wave back
I needed
at people
witness
who didn't
statements
know
and
they were
independent
celebrating
eyes.
on
I
stolen
reached out
soil.
to old friends in town.
The
A
irony
retired
was
county
delicious.
inspector named Ray's,
My
and a
lawyer,
teacher
on
who
the
lived
other
a mile
hand,
away and
was
walked her
losing
dog
his
past my
mind.
place every morning.
He'd call
I
me
didn't
and
tell
voice
them
tense.
everything.
You
I
have
only
enough
asked
evidence
if
to
they'd no
file
times,
now,
and
why
whether
are
they
you
saw
waiting?
heavy machinery crossing.
Because,
Most
I answered,
agreed.
they're still
Small
building their
favors
own
paid off when
coffin.
you weren't loud
I
about
want them to
asking
hammer
for
the
them.
last nail.
I also dug,
Weeks turned
not
into
into
the
months.
soil, into records.
Then came the final
Lydia and I
nail,
built a little
press
trail of
article in the
breadcrumbs
local
through public
paper.
filings. The
Pine
HOA
Ridge
meeting
HOA
notes,
celebrates
the
completion
emails
of
between
96
Whitman Construction
home.
and the county.
Full community
I learned that
occupancy
the HOA had
achieved.
filed for permit exemptions,
Perfect.
claiming emergency access
The article
was needed
even
for utility
quoted
work.
Linda.
Nonsense at best.
This development
Fraud at
is
worst.
proof
I
that when
printed
people
everything
unite
and
under
organized
strong
it in a
leadership,
manila binder
nothing
I
can
carried
stop
everywhere.
us.
Evidence
I
is
couldn't have written a
persuasive when
better
it's tidy.
setup. if I tried.
The weekend I was ready.
That night I opened a bottle of cheap champagne,
canvas,
not to celebrate,
not an argument,
but
a
to mark
quiet
the
strategic
countdown.
walk.
The next
I knocked
day,
on the doors
I
of the
called my
families
lawyer
living
and
across
said
the creek under
2
Ridgeline Heights.
It's time.
Not to accuse them, but
From
to
that
ask a
moment,
question.
everything
Did they know that the
became
trucks
official.
crossing my bridge were carrying
We
cement
gathered
and
every
gravel
document,
every morning?
every map,
Most looked at
every
me puzzled,
public statement.
some ashamed.
We
a few
filed a
defensive.
property ownership
One
lawsuit
young mother told me
against
she'd
Pine
seen
Ridge
trucks,
HOA,
but assumed the
Cameron
HOA
Realty
had
Group,
permission. And the city zoning
older
department
man,
for
Jim,
negligence
from House 12,
you could
told me
practically
he'd
notice
hear
the bridge
panic
sagging
explode
and would be
across
willing
the
to talk
neighborhood.
to the media if things
It started
turned
small,
ugly.
whispers
That mattered.
on Facebook groups.
People who signed
Did you hear
affidavits
something about
matter.
a lawsuit?
By now my cameras
it
had a week of
escalated.
footage. People
The
began
dashcam
questioning
Logos,
why their
Whitman
mortgage
construction
paperwork listed
Ridgeline
a
materials,
temporary
a
zoning
subcontractor
clause
out of
Denver.
By the time
underbridge
Linda
camera
called
recorded
an
vibrations and momentum.
HOA meeting,
The sensor log
rumor
showed
had
cumulative
already
weight
gone
numbers
viral
that
locally.
made my chest go cold.
When she finally
Numbers I knew
learned
would
who
terrify
filed
a
the
structural
lawsuit,
engineer
she
in
went
a courtroom.
ballistic.
I copied the data
My
to
phone
3
buzzed
separate
non-stop
encrypted
with
drives
unknown
and
numbers.
gave one to Lydia.
Then came the
lawyers
email.
like backups.
Cease and desist.
I could have filed a
your
complaint
baseless
then.
claims
I could have told
immediately.
the sheriff
We
and
have
forced
every
to
right
stop.
to manage
But
Pine
then I'd
Ridge
risked them
property.
cutting their losses,
I replied
rerouting
with a
trucks,
single
and hiding the
PDF.
pattern. A
The
high-resolution
plan was to
scan
let them
of the
keep
original
piling the
deed,
concrete,
bearing
keep
my
eating
name
at the bridge,
and my grandfather's
until the abuse was
signature.
undeniable. The next
Until
day,
even the
her
most
attorney called
sympathetic
mine.
judge couldn't
The panic
claim
had begun.
it was an accident.
But that was just
And so
the
I
first
waited.
wave.
It's a strange thing
Soon,
to wait when
news
your life
outlets
feels
picked
on
up
the
the
edge.
story.
The patients felt like
Homeowners
digging,
shocked,
slow
HOA
and silent.
built on land
Every
that
time
was
a
never
convoy
theirs.
rolled through, a small
Developer
part of me
accused
wanted
of
to run
fraud
out and
in
scream.
massive
But I
Colorado
remembered Lydia's
subdivision
words
scandal
and kept the outrage
HOA
coiled
tried
like a
to
watch
contain
spring,
the fire,
ready to
press
release
statements
at the proper
community
moment.
meetings,
Damage
damage
control
control
emails,
all
2 trucks
useless.
crossed on a Tuesday
The
morning
city
heavier than
distanced
any
itself,
before, saying
a third
we
followed
approved
right
construction
behind them,
based
a
on
delivery of
submitted
sand
documents.
documents.
The center
Of
beam
course
moaned
they
in a long,
did.
low sound that made the
Fake
hairs on my
submitted
arms stand up.
documents.
My underbridge
My lawyer
sensor
prepped
pinged.
me for court,
My phone
walking me
vibrated with a
through what was about
notification.
to happen.
I watched the live
You
feed
understand,
as the
he
third
said,
truck hit the
if we
center
win
just
this,
a fraction
you
too
technically
late.
own the land
As the
and the
flex
homes.
reached a threshold,
I
the wood
blinked,
couldn't hold
you
forever.
means.
He
The board
nodded,
didn't snap
every
like in a
homeowner,
movie.
every lot.
It groaned
Legally,
and bent
it's
and
all
did
yours.
what the math predicted.
They built their
It
dream
yielded.
homes on your
The truck's
property.
front axle dipped.
For a
The
moment,
load
I
shifted
almost felt
and cement
bad,
sloshed
onto the
almost.
deck. The
But then
driver
I
slammed the
remembered
brakes,
Linda's smirk,
cursed, and
a
jumped
mocking
down.
tone when she
He looked
said,
at the wobbling
"This is
support,
private
and then
property."
over at the other trucks
Now
idling
she
behind,
would be the one
their
escorted
drivers
off
on their
by the
phones
sheriff.
oblivious or on
We
walkie-talkies.
filed for a hearing.
The
I didn't rush
HOA
out.
scrambled,
I let the men
trying
pile
to
out and
delay,
shout.
to negotiate,
I stayed
to twist
inside
the
watching,
narrative,
because
they
staying
even
in
offered
offered
me
me
a
a
settlement.
I didn't give
a
them
few
a
$1
reason
million
to accuse
in
me
exchange
of,
for
say,
cooperation.
sabotaging equipment.
I refused.
I watched as a foreman called
because
his
this
company
wasn't about
as a
money
supervisor
anymore.
snapped pictures.
It was about
They
principle.
were creating their own
For
dossier
too long,
against themselves.
HOAs across the country
By the
had
time the
bullied
county
homeowners,
inspector arrived,
fining them
Jim
for
Ray's,
mailbox colors,
the retired
threatening
inspector I'd
foreclosures
coaxed,
over
the
lawns.
situation was
And now,
undeniable.
one had
He walked
overstepped
the
in the
bridge like a
biggest
man
way
who'd
possible.
seen the same build
I wasn't
patterns
just fighting
1,000
for
times.
I was
He
fighting
ran
for
his hands
everyone
along
who'd
the
ever been
joists,
told,
read the momentary
HOA
stress readings
owns this
off
street.
my sensor console,
The hearing
and then
date
looked at the
was
video
set.
timestamps.
Words
He
spread
shook his
like
head.
wildfire. They've
Local
abused
reporters
this structure,
reached out,
he said
neighbors
quietly,
whispered,
repeated
and suddenly
loads beyond
Pine
what it was
Ridge looked
designed
less
for,
like a community
and you recorded
and more like a
everything.
crime scene.
That line,
Linda
and you
tried
recorded
one
everything,
last desperate
was the
move.
soft click
She
before
confronted
the whole
me in
thing
person
locked shut.
outside the courthouse.
Lydia filed the
You're
emergency
ruining
motion that
families'
afternoon.
lives, she
Temporary
screamed.
restraining order,
I looked her
injunction
dead in
against
the eye.
crossing,
You
and a
ruined your
demand for
own.
the HOA.
She
to
lunged
produce
closer,
records for all
red-faced
transports
voice
that
cracking.
had crossed the
You'll
bridge in the
lose.
last
You
6
can't
months.
take people's homes.
She issued subpoenas for
I
company
smiled.
logs,
Watch
driver
me.
manifests,
And that was it,
communication
the
between
calm
the
before
HOA
the storm.
and Whitman Construction.
Inside the
We
courtroom,
served the papers
cameras
personally.
flashed.
Reporters
The look
whispered.
on the HOA
The
president's
homeowners sat
face
behind the
when
HOA
she realized there
board,
was a sensor
their
log,
faces pale,
timestamped
realizing
photos,
the gravity of what was
neighborhood
happening.
witness statements, and
My
county
lawyer leaned
inspector
over and
testimony.
whispered,
This
"Priceless.
is it. Ready."
But the legal machine
I took a
grinds
deep
slowly.
breath.
While
Ready.
the motion was pending,
The judge
I re-hung
entered.
the sign I
The
had
room
printed
fell
weeks
silent.
earlier.
The
private
gavel
property,
hit the bench.
no trespassing,
This was the
VIOLATOS
moment
will be
I'd waited
PRSCUTD.
years for, the moment the
I kept the
land
cameras
spoke again.
rolling. This
I
time
strengthened
through
the
the
bridge
law.
further,
This time
because
physically,
they built their
with
empire
steel plates
on
that would be
stolen
visible,
ground.
undeniable repairs.
And I was about
PD
to pull the
could point
deed
to
out
if
in
needed.
court. They'll tell you patience is passive. They're wrong. Patience can be a weapon when it's fed by discipline. I used it to collect truth. I used it to let them show who they were. And very soon, everyone, the HOA, the contractors, even those families who'd thought the trucks just had permission, would know the price of assuming a man's land belonged to them. Because when the court date came, it wouldn't be a matter of he said, she said. It would be numbers, timestamps, third-party inspection, and slow, patient proof, a trap set with nothing more dangerous than facts.